Now at 5:30, Thanksgiving dinner spending. How much will Americans spend on average, and how do the stores stack up when it comes to shopping for that Turkey Day feast?
So we went to a half dozen stores to compare where you can really stretch your dollar.
Thanksgiving dinner, what's there not to love?
I got my mom's.
No matter where you go, someone is doing the shopping for a big Thanksgiving meal.
Sometimes it's all about the preparation.
And that prep can add up for the holidays.
To feed 10?
Yeah.
$350.
That's Renee Keene's guess for how much the average American spends. But according to lendedu.com, the average American will spend about $97.55 on food, drinks, and decorations for Thanksgiving this year.
It's very easy to spend at this time of year.
And with so many stores offering specials and deals, we headed out to do some comparison shopping to see how they stacked up. We checked 6 Triangle stores: Harris Teeter, Food Lion, Walmart, Lowe's Foods, Whole Foods, and Target for the traditional Thanksgiving items, from a frozen turkey to stuffing, a jar of gravy, canned cranberry sauce, potatoes, green beans, rolls, pies, and a few bottles of North Carolina wine. So who do you think came in the lowest?
I would probably think Food Lion. I don't know. Just guessing.
Food Lion did round out the lower half of the prices, but it didn't come in at the bottom. Of the 6, Whole Foods topped the list, keeping in mind their turkey is usually more costly, being fresh and antibiotic-free. Next, Harris Teeter at $98.24. Lowe's Foods came in third most expensive at $83.94, followed by Food Lion at $78.09 and Target at $72.46. And then Walmart had the lowest price on all the items for a grand total of $60.93.
And we should include that these shopping comparisons did not include any coupons or any of those loyalty or rewards cards, which, as you know, can save you even more.
Meantime, we